Welcome back to Executive Hausa Tutors channel, where learning is fun. Today's lesson is going to be so much fun as I am going to teach you Hausa Proverbs and their meaning. Let's begin. Proverbs about wisdom and character. Number 1. Komai nisan jifa ƙasa zai faɗo. Every action has consequences. Nothing stays hidden forever. Number 2. Gani ya kori ji. First-hand experience is the strongest proof. Number 3. Ba a sanin maciji sai an taka. You truly know people only when they are tested or provoked. Number 4. Tsuntsu baya ƙin ruwa, sai dai ya ƙi zurfi. People fear what is too much for them. We all have limits. Number 5. Hannu ɗaya baya ɗaukar jinka. Teamwork and cooperation make life easier. Now, Proverbs about life and patience. Number 1. Daɗin baki ya fi zuma. Good speech can calm hearts and solve problems. Number 2. Sannu ba ta hana zuwa. Patience leads to success. Rushing is not always the answer. Number 3. Ana maganin zafi ne da sanyi. Problems are resolved with the opposite approach. Wisdom balances situations. Number 4. Ruwa baya tsami banza. There is always a cause behind every action. Number 5. Abin da ya gagara, shi ake bi da dabara. Use wisdom, not force when facing greater challenges. Proverbs about behavior and relationships. Number 1. Mutum ya fi kifi tsoron rami. People naturally avoid danger. Number 2. Gaba kura, baya siyaki. This describes a situation where trouble comes from both sides. Number 3. Idan ƙasa ta yi yawa, sai ta hana rawar ƙafa. Hard circumstances limit progress. Number 4. Biri ya yi kama da mutum, amma halinsa daban. Appearance can deceive. Focus on character, not looks. Number 5. Danko baya ganin laifin yaji. A humorous way of saying people who resemble each other rarely criticize one another. Proverbs about hard work and destiny. Number 1. Mai haƙuri shi kan dafa dutse. Patience brings reward. Number 2. Ba a cin abin duniya da wasa. Hard work is required for meaningful achievements. Number 3. Kowa ya sha ruwa, ruwa yana jikarsa. Your actions stays with you. You must face the results. Number 4. Rana dubu ta ɓarawo, ɗaya ta mai kaya. Wrongdoing may last long, but justice eventually comes. With this, we have come to the end of our lesson. What is your favorite proverb? Let me know in the comment section what you would like me to teach you next. Thanks for joining us. Remember, learning Hausa language is fun. Don't forget to subscribe, comment, like, and share. If you need any private Hausa lesson or any other Hausa services, please reach out to Executive Hausa Tutors page directly. See you next time. Bye-bye. Sai anjima.